It's now time for prize draw number 2, our promotional prize for Early Bird for Lottery 460. We will now move on to this draw. The prize is valued at $5,000, which will be provided as cash, or should the winning resident live in Victoria or New South Wales, we will provide that $5,000 as gold bullion. It's a good time of year to have gold bullion. If you're a Star supporter, you will have automatic entry into this draw. To be eligible for this prize, the ticket must be purchased in Lottery 460 on or before Thursday the 27th of February 2025 and be an active uncancelled ticket. The ticket range for this lottery draw is 10,001 to 993,651. We will now commence the draw process. Would you gentlemen please confirm the balls are correct? Excellent. So I'd like to invite Joe to commence the draw process.
Ready?
Okay, so we have a successful barrel roll. The winning ticket number is 410081. I'll just repeat that while our auditors verify. 410081.
Correct, that's correct.
Yankee Whiskey, Alpha Kilo 7 Romeo 0 Alpha Golf. Solution. Just $10. No. 8 months. One more.
Okay, so we have our winner. Just confirming the winning ticket number is 410081. The customer's initials are JC, and they're from St Lucia in Queensland. So congratulations to our newest $5,000 winner for Early Bird. That concludes today's draw. See you next time.